With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, here we have a question. Sin of a plus 2b into sin a minus sin b into sin of 2a plus b is equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. We have to prove that. So we are going through with our left hand side. And what is our left hand side? Sin of a plus 2b into sin a minus sin b into sin 2a plus b. So we are going through this. So if we multiply this equation by 2 and divide by 2, then what we get? We get 1 upon 2 into sin of a plus 2b into sin a minus 2 into sin of b into sin of 2a plus b. So if we see here, this is like 2 into sin a into sin b, and this is like 2 into sin a into sin b also. So we can use the formula we are using here is sin of 2 into sin c into sin d is equals to cos of c minus d minus cos of c plus d. This formula we are using here, and this term is created here. So if we apply this formula here, we can write this expression is 1 by 2 into, here our c is a plus 2b and d is a, so we can write cos of a plus 2b minus a minus cos of a plus 2b plus a. And if we apply this formula here, we can also write minus cos of b minus 2a minus b plus cos of b plus 2a plus b. This we can write. So if we simplify this, we can, this a cancel out and this b also will be cancel out. And if we simplify this step, we can write is equals to 1 by 2 into, from here we can see this is our cos of 2b, and this is minus cos of 2a plus 2b, and this is our here created cos of minus 2, and we know cos of minus theta become cos theta, so we can write that cos of 2a, and this is cos of 2a plus 2b. So we can see here these terms are equal, so this can we cancel out. So if we simplify this step, we can write 1 by 2 into cos of 2b minus cos of 2a. This we can write. So here we can see, here we get cos of 2b and cos of 2a, and we know the formula in the trigonometry is cos of 2 theta. We have to find this term as, or we can say reduce this expression as in the form of sine. So we know the formula in the trigonometry of cos 2 theta in the form of sine is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. This we know in the trigonometry. So we can apply this formula here, because here we get the our angle as 2b and 2b and 2a. So we can so we will apply this formula here. After applying, we can write, so applying this formula, we get 1 by 2 into cos of 2b is 1 minus 2 sine square b minus cos of 2a as 1 minus 2 sin square a. So if we simplify this, we can write this cancel out, and here from here we get 2 sin square a minus 2 sin square b, and these two become cancel out. So here we can say we will get a form of a square minus b square, like that. So this expression we can write sin square a minus sin square b, and we can say this is the, we can see here this is the form like a square minus b square, and we know the result of that is a minus b into a plus b. So this is sin a minus sin b into sin of a plus sin of b, and we know the formula in geometry for that, like sin c minus sin d and sin c plus sin d. We know the formula for that. The first expression is 2 into sin a minus b by 2 into cos of a plus b by 2, and for this expression we know the formula as 2 into sin of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2. This we know. So from here we can see here this angle a minus b by 2 is same as in the angle of cos, and we know a formula in the trigonometry is sin 2 theta. We can write as 2 sin theta into cos theta. This we know, and we can see here the theta is same, so we can notice here the sin term and cos term has also the angle same. So we can, if we combine this term, we get the form like this, and we can write this form as sin 2 theta. And also for that, so after reducing this term, we can write, or we can say combining the terms, sin of a minus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 into 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into cos of a plus b by 2. So we can see here this is the expression like this formula. So we can reduce this it as, here our theta is a minus b by 2, and here we have to write the in the form of sin 2 theta. So for this expression we can write sin of a minus b into, and for this we can write sin of a plus b, and this expression we need to prove, and this is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.